Very good afternoon, you all. I hope you all are doing well at home. So, you all are doing a practice of the last worksheet which I have sent you. So, let's try to learn very important chapter in pencil shading. How we come to know where should be a light and where should be a dark comes. For example, we have a one circle. Use it. You can take a help of this bottle. For example, we have a circle, but normally when we are used to say please give the shading, everybody is saying this, hold the pencil like this and giving a shading like this, every in one direction. So doing a shading like this is a not a very much correct, we can say it's a wrong. So next step, how we can use a pencil shade and how we come to know where should be a light, where should be a dark. The second one again. Circle. So after doing the circle, let's imaginate the source of light. It can be right hand side, it can be imaginate on a left hand side, both side. It's up to you. For example, we have a source of light is here, so light is coming this side. So source of light SL. When the light is coming this side, so obviously when the light is coming this side, so this side is light, this side is dark. So let's start a shading. So hold a pencil like this. So let's give the very light shade, very light shade. The light is coming this side. So today we are going to use a 3-tone, light, medium, dark, because source of light is coming this side, so this side is light, then medium, then dark tone. So light has been finished. Now medium tone, we are trying to giving a medium tone. So second time let's give it the shades. It's a medium tone. So final shade is a dark red shade. So light, medium and dark. Let's give the dark shade. Let's give the dark shade. So you can learn light, medium and dark. Now we are going to use some students. So let's make a cone and merge it. Light in a medium and medium in a dark. Let's use a little dark shade here, more dark shade. Some more dark shade. So you can feel our 3 shades, light, medium and dark, and a shadow of this. Light is coming this side, so this shadow is coming this side. Let's use a shade. So let's merge the shades. Light shade in a medium and medium in a dark. Let's give it. So you can see the effect of the circle. Light, medium and dark. Same in another way. I am going to give you a more example. For example, we have a triangle. source of light is this side, and the light is coming this side, source of light. So this side is light, then medium, and then dark. So light. So for lighting I am looking only the white shade. So this is also one technique. So light, this I am using a medium shade, light and medium, and then dark shade on a left hand side. So let's give the dark shade. So let's merge it, light shade in a dark and dark in a light. Shadow. I will give you one more example. Normally you have a tree like this. So source of light is this side. So what mistake you did normally when the light is coming this side? So normally students saying, sir is saying light, medium and dark. So what they did like this. Light, this is a medium shade, and a dark. This is the wrong one. So please do not do it. It's a wrong one. How to do it? One more example. Yeah, this piece. You have a tree like this. And I am saying you to give the pencil shade, source of light is this. So actually tree have a three parts, part 1, part 2, part 3. You can feel this. This is three dimensional shape. So first of all, so with the source of light, we'll finish the part number 1. Light is coming this side, obviously, so this side is light, then medium and a dark. So light is there, so let's use a medium shade. So light, I am using a white. So light and a dark shade. And again use a cone to merge it. So I'm going to use a cone. Only simple paper. I have used a simple paper. So light color, light shade in a medium, and medium in a dark. Please notice light is very important, so do not finish this light effect is very important. This light effect is very important. So again light is coming this side, so light is coming this side, so this side is light, medium and dark. So I'm going to use a medium sheet. Medium and a dark. This technique we will apply in our oil pastel and other things also. So this is the way we come to know where should be a light, where should be a dark. So through source of light, so you can feel light, medium and dark, light, medium and dark when the light is coming this side. So light, medium and dark. So I'm going to use a light shade, and now is a medium, light, medium and now dark shade is this, because light is coming this side, light, medium and dark shade. I'm using a dark shade here. So let's merge it with a cone. This technique we will use in still life. How we come to know where should be a light shade and a dark shade when the light is coming this side. So light, medium and dark. So I'm going to use a medium and now dark. Sometime this light medium shade, we have a three-dimensional one. In case we have a source of light, so we are not going to do that because this brick have a three parts, part number 1, 2, 3. So light is coming, so we will use a light shade here because light is coming this side, and medium shade. And a dark shade. So try to practice for a next time. Then we will start a still life. So you can see light. This is a light, medium, and a dark. So this technique will use in others. For example, in oil pastel also we will do that. So try to make it the practice of this. This is very important. You can take up more examples. For example, tree I have used bricks, circle, triangle, and more example you can have a one. You can use this some object drawings also. Everywhere is a shape, so I am going to use a shapes. So source of our light is coming this side. So again this have a many parts, so light, medium, and dark shades, medium and dark. So light is light, medium, and dark. So let's give the medium shade and dark shade. That is going to be light, medium, and dark. So let's use it. So make practice at home. So we'll next time we'll do this more practices and all. So dark shade, very much dark shade. I will use shades. So you all try to get more practices at home, and all the best. Thank you.